we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side.
Hello people! Today, we explore and see the pyramid that not everyone knows. The Step Pyramid or the Pyramid of Djoser. So what really is the Step Pyramid? The pyramid is a 6 steps of experimental structure and is located at Saqqara Necropolis, northwest of Egypt. 20 kilometers south of Giza, which the Great Pyramids are located. It is said to be the earliest stone colossal building in Egypt. It was built for the burial of the pharaoh Djoser.
This video is made possibly by Epidemic Sound. They have a wide variety of genres and sound effects that you get to choose from. Epidemic Music is trusted by a lot of content creators. You'll get access to royalty-free music for your content when you subscribe. So click my link in the description box and you'll help me fund good quality music in my contents. In March 2020, the pyramid was reopened for visitors after a 14-year restoration.
The pyramid originally stood 205 feet tall and was clad with polished white limestone.
So we did something stupid. It was our fault that we didn't know that we would have to pay the entrance fee at the gate when you enter. This trip was a DIY, which is a do-it-yourself, so we didn't know. The place of the ticket booth is adjacent to the guarded gate that you won't notice right away. We thought it is up on the hill where the structure is located. It ended up of having a video of the structure from afar and a picture of the Hebsed court outside. By the way, the Hebsed court is a structure made for the king so he could perform the ritual in the afterlife. It wasn't that epic failed trip. After all, we still appreciate the beauty of the Pyramid of Djoser from a distance, and I don't usually do this, but this is a random exploring day. So always do your research when you're DIYing your tour.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.